Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to English Quizly channel. Today we are going to do a video on nouns. Okay, so what is a noun? Imagine you have a big box of toys as shown in the image. In English grammar, nouns are like the names of all your toys. They tell us what the toys are called, just like your toy names. Tells you what each specific toy is. Okay? Simply, we can say a noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. So, let's see some more examples of nouns. As we already learned that a noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Here we see mom, dad, brother, sister, teacher, friend. These are called nouns. Whereas house, school, park, zoo, beach, mountain, these are also called nouns, as these are called the places. Okay? Things like car, ball, book, pencil, doll, train, these are also called as nouns. Animals like dog, cat, fish, bird, monkey are also called nouns. As we already learned, a noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Here, ideas like love, happiness, sadness, creativity, kindness are also called as nouns. Okay, so there are two main types of nouns. One is called singular noun and another one is called plural noun. Singular nouns only one thing. They names only one thing like ball, monkey, cat, dog, etc. Singular nouns names only one thing, whereas plural nouns names more than one thing like balls, monkeys, cats, dogs, etc. Okay, I think you have got an idea about nouns. I saw a beautiful flower in the park. My favorite color is red. I like to play with my friends in the playground. My bear is big and cuddly. We read a funny story in the class. The sun shines bright in the sky. I love to eat yummy pancakes for breakfast. I wear my raincoat when it rains. We sing songs in music class. We learn about numbers in maths class. We read interesting stories in reading class. I draw pictures with my crayons. I bounce my ball on the playground. I like to climb the tree in the park. My mom reads me a story before bed. I brush my teeth with a toothbrush. I wear my shoes to protect my feet. I like to drink juice from a cup. I sleep in a cozy bed at night. I love to give my mom a hug and say, I love you, mother. The cat meows at the door. I hop on one foot when I play hopscotch. The teacher writes with a marker on the board. We wear a hat on our head to stay warm. We use a sponge to clean the dishes. We eat pizza with a knife and fork. We paint with a brush in art class. I swing from the swings in the park. I play with my friends in the backyard. I wear a sunglasses to protect my eyes from the sun. I listen to music on my headphones. I fly a kite with a string. The dog barks and chases squirrels. I eat ice cream with a cone. I wear a headband on my head to keep my hair out of my face. We build sand castles with a shovel and pail. I jump rope with a long rope. We play catch with a ball and net. I build with colorful blocks in the classroom. I draw on a large board with a chalk. I wear a raincoat during rainy days. We play football on a field. I wear a pajamas to sleep in. I brush my teeth with a brush. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.